Easy. Yeah, you're gonna be fine. Jin Lee did it, okay?
That's what I figured. I was looking around.
I know Ronnie's really skinny, he's small. He'll get some weight on him one day.
Well, I'm worried because I hurt my shoulder over those days. Don't worry about that.
The tighter they are, the easier it is to break. Just pretty much just pull your arm straight back, like down like that.
One more team left, right man.
Alright. Shooters, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Chad, Sarah, stage 1 is finished, broken down.
Stage 3, we're on the second to last team right now. Don't you leave him, Ron. Alright, go.
There's still 6 targets left, right? Show me. Clear.
Around, come around, here we go. Make ready, shooter. Left, then the front 4, then the rear. Make fire when ready. Dead! Hit! 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 Make safe, make safe. Wait for your partner, wait for your partner. Partner. Good, 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 go.